Energy and store systems. Energy is never used up. It is just transferred between different energy store and different objects. When energy is transferred to an object, the energy is stored in one of the object's energy stores. The energy stores that you need to know are thermal energy stores, kinetic energy stores, gravitational potential energy stores, elastic potential energy stores, chemical energy stores, magnetic energy stores, electrostatic energy stores, and nuclear energy stores. Energy is transferred mechanically, which is force doing the work, electrically, which is work done by moving charges, by heating or by radiation, which can be light or sound. When a system changes, energy is then transferred. A system is another term used for a single object or a group of objects. It can be transferred into or away from the system, between different objects in the system, or between different types of energy stores. Closed systems are systems where neither matter nor energy can leave or enter, and the net change in the total energy of a closed system is always zero. Energy can be transferred by heating. If we look at an example of boiling water in a kettle, water in this example is the system. The energy is transferred into the systems from the kettle's heating element into the water's thermal energy store. This causes the temperature of the water to rise. You could also look at it like this. The kettle's heating element and the water together form a two-object system. Energy is transferred electrically to the thermal energy store of the kettle's heating element, which is then transfers energy by heating to the water's thermal energy store. The term work done is another way of saying energy transferred. Work can be done when current flows or by a force moving an object. We will cover more on this later on. Let's look at an example of energy transfer. The initial force exerted by a person to throw a ball upwards does work. It causes an energy transfer from the chemical energy store of the person's arm to the kinetic energy store of the ball and arm.